going to be doing a room tour. I'm on deck 9, room 9748. There's some buttons inside the room to show if you need to do not disturb, whether or not you're in your room or make up your room. Let's check it out. So immediately to your right, you're going to have a closet. It's double-sided. And you're safe. There's a couch. The couch doesn't have a pull-out capability. Pretty unique looking artwork. You're gonna see a lot of the blue color theme without the cruise ship, which I really like the teal color. I think it's really modern. We have a mirror. It's getting foggy because I have the patio door open, which I will show you the patio in a second. But here's our desk. Look how cute this little chair is. It's all sparkly. And wait, how do you sit on this thing? I guess you're able to pick it up or something and then put it down when you need to sit on there. I don't know. Blow dryer. I love when cruise ships still give the little guides. I've been on a few cruise ships recently and I feel like they're cutting back on the guides and they want you to use the app. But I really like the paper guide because I like to circle everything I want to do. The TV. Now let's check out the patio. Ooh la la. Look at the cute chairs. Very modern, very nice. And we are still docked in Miami. Let's go check out the bathroom. Now I am in love with this bathroom. It looks so modern and so actually really spacious. Like, it's a lot of space in this bathroom. Look how cute the little black backsplash is. Nice. And shower. Soap and all that. Every girl can vouch that I always need one of these so you're able to shave. Nice addition. All in all, I'm a huge fan of the bathroom. It's definitely enough space in here to actually hold a couple people in here. Like, look at all that space. Nice. This is their first sailing outside of Miami, so be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be showing everything that's going on, the food options, the dining options. Really excited for this ship. It's beautiful.